Overnight, the CEO of Shiba Inu will send SHIB to $10. SHIB updates Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. With the biggest percentage drop this year, the Shiba Inu price is seeing more volatility. By combining technical indicators with classical price action methodologies, this analysis allows traders to predict whether the market will be bullish or bearish. The price of Shiba Inu saw its worst red day of the year, with an 11% decline on the digital meme coin. An important element in predicting the token's future price movement is the fact that it is approaching a previously defined trend line. Traders should brace themselves for a steeper drop if the bulls fail to offer support at the present level. Watch this video to find out how the CEO of Shiba Inu plans to send SHIB to $10 in the next few hours. If you want to watch more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. At the moment, one Shiba Inu is worth 0.00012134. The daily simple moving average is 21 days old, and the bears are trying to form a candlestick close below it. This would mark the beginning of the end for the general uptrend that started in the final week of December if it were to be successful. Nothing can rule out the possibility that the rise may persist. The present price is re-entering levels of support, as shown by the Relative Strength Index RSI, which also shows a bullish divergence from the last consolidation zone near 0.00001050. If the Relative Strength Index RSI drops below the 40 level, it would mean that the entire rally is coming to an end. After the present market value of SHIB, the next important level for bulls to target is the August high at 0.00001800, which would lead to a 45% increase in price. In contrast, bears, who bought near the present swing high of 0.00011575, will probably start adding to their positions if the RSI falls below 40. This could lead to a stampede of sellers aiming for the 0.00000780 level, which was the starting point of SHIB's winter rally. According to the pessimistic outlook, the current Shiba Inu price could fall by 36% on a wild multi-million-dollar hoarding rampage involving billions of Shiba Inu tokens. The SHIB holdings of Jump Trading, a trading firm based in Chicago, have increased dramatically from 250,000 on February 4th to just over 130.7 billion, according to new data from blockchain search engine Etherscan. Known as one of the smallest hedge firms, Jump Trading currently holds approximately $1.7 million worth of SHIB, thanks to the purchasing of the meme token with a dog motif. The most recent financial report indicates that the platform is responsible for managing assets totaling approximately $150 million. Having said that, the article goes on to say that Jump Trading might have more assets than disclosed does, including cash and real estate, which aren't publicly known. As the price of Shiba Inu drops, the hedge fund goes on an acquisition binge. From its 7-day high of 0.00015 to its current price of 0.00013, the Dogecoin competitor has dropped around 4% in the last 24 hours. In 2023, whale activity centered around, according to crypto analytics firm Sandiment. This is because it has surpassed Ethereum as the second largest altcoin holding among whales. A staggering 5090570, $7716073 SHIB, or slightly more, over $735 million, is now held by the 500 largest Ethereum holders on the planet, as reported by Santiment. The pace at which the entire supply of Shiba Inu tokens is depleted is known as the burn rate. Token burn does this by sending some tokens to a public address that does not have the private key. This decreases the total supply and takes the tokens out of circulation. A typical stock with a limited quantity would have been the model for SHIB's first token distribution. The project's creators controlled the token's inflation by burning half of the token supply and storing the other half. Glassnode data shows that SHIB's burn rate has dropped dramatically in the last several months. The rate dropped from above 8% in December 2021 to a mere 3% in January 2023. A number of variables, such as the massive sale of SHIB tokens and the unlocking of additional tokens from the locked supply, have probably contributed to this decline in the burn rate. From more than 20 million SHIB tokens burned to just 205,000, the burn rate for SHIB fell 99.13% in the past day. What follows is an analysis of the SHIB burn dataset. In spite of this drop, the burn rate's overall performance relative to the SHIB price is still poor. Traders can be losing interest in SHIB for a number of reasons. The recent sell-off of the token, which caused prices to plummet from their all-time highs, is one of the key causes. Some traders may have decided to take their money and run as a result of this, the more cutthroat nature of the DeFi market is another consideration. A plethora of new DeFi projects, each with its own token, have emerged in the past few months. The focus on SHIB and other initiatives can be diverted by this heightened competitiveness. Last but not least, SHIB's business model's viability may worry certain traders. In order to finance further development, the project's creators have said that they want to use some of the locked token supply. But some are worried about the project's long-term viability and money generation capabilities. Shiba Inu tokens can be burned to reduce their supply and thereby raise their value. Nevertheless, getting to the price of 0.001 requires a considerable amount of burning to reach a price of 0.001. The token supply must be reduced to $5.8 trillion from the present 549.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. The market valuation for this project is $5.81 billion. According to SHIB Queenie, a moderator on the Shiba Inu Discord, the potential yearly burnout of SHIB tokens through the ShibaSwap portal and the forthcoming Shibarium Layer 2 solution might reach 88.8 trillion. According to this estimate, it would take about 6 years to reach the target price. Nevertheless, accomplishing this objective might not be as simple as it appears. Aiming to burn 90% of SHIB tokens is an unachievable aim, according to Shiba Inu's top developer Archangel. It would take the burning of roughly 99% of the present token supply to get to a price of 0.001. In addition, incentives for the value of Ryoshi's vision, the currency used to pay for Shiba Inu tokens, is lower than that of SHIB tokens. This makes one wonder what the motivations are for burning tokens in order to decrease the supply. Although SHIB's burn rate has recently decreased, the token's future is still unclear. The project's future success or failure depends on a number of factors. It might become a major player in the cryptocurrency industry or fade into obscurity. The SHIB token's popularity might see a comeback if its creators are able to overcome the obstacles they're facing and keep inventing. Commitment and a distinct plan for the continuation of the project. In preparation for its release, whales have been accumulating bone. Because of this, the asset's value has been rising. With a 101% increase since the start of the year, Bone's value has more than quadrupled. Huobi has now updated its official page for digital assets to include Bone Shiba Swap. A possible listing was also supported by the same. The official page highlighted the trade and deposit choices. Other than that, there are sections for the project overview, token details, and relevant connections. Users are directed to the Bone page when they click on the deposit option. But the same appeared to be dormant and blank. Trading has not yet begun, and the exchange has not formally confirmed Bone's listing. An army of Shiba Inus has been patiently waiting for Bones' listing for what seems like an eternity. Midway through December of last year, the exchange posted a photo of a Shiba Inu dog decked out in crimson to celebrate the holiday spirit. Speculation about a possible Bones listing quickly gained traction among those in the know. Now that the most recent page has gone live, it appears that the exchange is definitely getting ready for the same. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.